Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to add your name on iPhone lock screen. For that, just go and open your settings. Let's just go back, and then you need to find focus. There you can see this plus icon on the top right, and select that, tap that and go on custom, and then type your name there and select the colors. And then you can also add this kind of things on your, and you can also choose color and some icons, like you can add some smile and anything as your choice. You can see this smile, and you can also choose something like star, and then tap on next and tap on customize focus. And then after customizing, then just save it and tap on oh yes, okay. And after that, just swipe down to open control center and press on focus or whatever it is in that area, and select your name there. And after that, you can see your name on your iPhone, and that is how you add your name on your iPhone lock screen. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.